For sale today is a Mighty Turn lathe. It's a 21x60 D18 spindle, 3 1/8 bore. We have a 10-inch 3-jaw reversible chuck. It's 9 RPMs to 1600 RPMs. Here's your feed chart. You can see that 1/8 of a thread per inch. It's a very coarse threading. Comes with a steady rest. Comes with a number 5 Morris taper drill chuck. We have 2-speed tailstock. Works as it should. Simply push in, get your 2nd speed. This machine also features rapid traverse. Real nice hand wheels, big graduations. We'll run the spindle here for you. This machine has a clutch on it, so thing runs nice and smooth. It's got a brake. Brake works as it should. We can reverse this. Go forward, all simply off your carriage here. Here's your power feeds. They work as they should. We'll switch the lead screw on here. Lead screw works as it should, nice and tight. We'll switch these gears up for you. This is going to be 630 RPM. We'll check out these ways. Ways are in real nice condition. Machine runs smooth. It's nice and quiet. We got a 4-post or a 4-tool post. It can be locked in all positions. This thing's just been serviced. All the cross slide has been taken apart. All the oil galleys clean. Same with the headstock. Headstock was flushed and new oil put in. Gearbox, carriage, all new oil. Everything works as it should. It's a nice piece. So if you got any more questions about this Mighty Turn lathe or any other tool room equipment, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks for watching the video.